Welcome to Yeeflow's Workflow tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the assignment task action in the Yeeflow Workflow Designer. Imagine orchestrating a complex workflow with precision, where tasks seamlessly find their way to the right individuals, ensuring efficiency and accountability. This is where Yeeflow's assignment task actions truly shine. Let's dive in. To begin, open your Yeeflow Workflow Designer. Adding an assignment task action is straightforward. Click and drag this action to the designer canvas. Now, let's define some key task properties. To configure the assignment task properties, click the Settings button under the selected assignment task. The settings windows will be displayed on the right. You can set the display name of this action. This name plays a crucial role in identifying tasks. You can also set static or dynamic text for task title. The task title is not mandatory. If you leave the task title as blank, it will use the action name as the task title. Next, assign the task to the right individuals. Click the Assignee Editor button to complete the assignee settings in the pop-up window. Now, let's define how these tasks are assigned. You can choose sequential for one-by-one assignment or parallel for simultaneous task distribution. Next, you can select an associated task form. This form defines what the assignee interacts with when completing the task. Or creating a new task form is as simple as clicking Create a Task Form. Now, choose the task type, Approval Task, or Complete Task. When different task type is selected, the buttons on the form and task completion conditions change accordingly. In other settings, you can check the Auto Approve or Allow Recall checkboxes. To avoid multiple approval from one user, you can activate this option. Automatically approve the current task when the approver is the applicant or has approved the previous task. Activate this option to allow task owner to recall the task after it's been approved/rejected or completed. The recall function only will be available before the next assignment tasks owner hasn't produced the pending task. Yeeflow's assignment task actions are your trusted companion in orchestrating tasks efficiently, ensuring they land in the right hands. Stay tuned for more enlightening episodes in the Yeeflow tutorial series. Your journey to mastering workflow management continues.